Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. We are with you. As you can see, we have opened our account in this broker using various methods. Now, in the copy trading section of JustMarket broker, we are in our user panel. To enter the copy trading section, click on the copy trading option from the left panel, and three options will be available to you: leaderboard, trading area, and investor area. You can apply them to become a trader in the trading area. And other people copy your trades. When other people copy your trades, you will receive money. As you can see, you can only copy trading by opening an account on Amity Form. You can click on the Open an Account option, select your account type, and after entering these details, become a trader whose trades other people copy. On this page, after selecting the desired account, you choose a nickname for yourself. In the following sections, you can set a currency for copying your trades. If you have a description for your calculative strategy, you can enter it in this section and then click on the Setup Account option. Your account will be created. If you need to copy other people's trades to your account, you will enter the leaderboard section, and on this page, as you can see, a list of the top traders of this broker will be displayed to you. In the first part, the person's name and his account level are displayed. And in this section, you can see the level of risk that the individual has in their trades. In this section, you can see the total amount of profit that this trader has made throughout their trades. And in the next section, the minute amount, profit amount, and individual gold amount will be displayed to you. In the next section, you will be shown the number of people following this person, and in the next section, the amount of commission received by the person. We can also display it for better visibility. Traders use these filters in this section. By clicking on the trader's name, you can get more details about this person. By entering this section, you can see more details about this trader from Friday's strategy description. Also, if the trader, you can see the links to various social networks, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram in this section. You can also see the profit chart in different time frames, and in the sections below, more comprehensive details about the account will be shown to you for your convenience. And in the account details section, more details such as leverage, credit, balance, and floating profit are displayed. Also, in the history section, you can view the history of individual transactions, or in the open trade section, you can view the individual's open transactions, and in the balance operation section, you can view the history of the person's deposit and withdrawal transactions. And as you can see in this section, the minimum amount required to invest on this broker is displayed to you. After reviewing the conditions of this broker, if you are interested, copy this person's trades onto your own account. You can click on the Start Copying option. On the newly opened page, you can choose how many times the copied trades should be the size of the original trades. You can choose from single, double, triple, or custom options to copy the trades for you. After selecting this option, click on the Start Copying option, and now you are successfully copying this person's trades. When you enter the investor area page, you will see a note that you are copying this trader, and the details of this copy will be displayed to you in this section. If you want to increase your investment amount, you can add to your investment amount by clicking on the Add Investment option. If you want to reduce your investment amount on this round trade, you can click on the Reduce option. Also, by clicking on the 3-dot option, you can access the change, copy mode, and stop. Copying options. By clicking on the trader's name, you will be shown more details about the copying status of this trader, and you can examine this copying process in detail here. If you are tired of continuing the copy trade process, with this broker you can click on the stop copying option and stop the copying process. After stopping the copying process, you can send your reason or opinion regarding this process. So that was the tutorial on the copy trading section in the JustMarket broker. Stay with us for more tutorials on this broker. Goodbye.